A filthy public toilet surrounded by piles of garbage has sparked outrage in Mapsa. With foul odor, poor sanitation, and no visible maintenance, locals say the area has become a public health hazard. The question now, is anyone at the municipality paying attention? Garbage scattered around the public toilet, overflowing waste, and filthy conditions have left shopkeepers frustrated. A local salon owner says the unbearable stench is driving customers away, while activist Sanjay Burde has questioned the Mapsa municipality's continued inaction. Residents say basic sanitation has been abandoned, turning a public facility into a health and civic embarrassment.
It's so dirty, you can see for yourself. The smell is terrible. Terrible means that they start doing here only. Toilet is very bad also. You can't drink there. See how it is placed.
Toilet should be always maintained by the municipality. No? They
Yeah,
should keep
they
it clean.
should do
Now
it,
they are
no?
keeping Sulabh Sautala like that. No, they have to keep one person over
But see,
here.
this garden also is so clean. Because it's, by this time, you see all people doing their jobs here. You can't help it also. This is what there are so many people are here.
Have you given any complaint to any authority?
We get so many times. It came also on the YouTube and all. Nobody is taking any action. Yesterday only these trucks and this thing had come and collected all that day.
Dirty bond, everything.
Yeah,
Clean.
terrible, very dirty. And when anybody comes or some foreigners, they come, they ask us,
Shame.
what is
Shame.
this? Shame.
Shame.
Really shame.
हे बोय मिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत विकसित भारत अरे बापया यो म्हापशान तू येवन सांगता की आपलो आमदार फुडल्या फावटी बीजेपीचोच येतलो आता म्हाका तू सांग खंयच्या अर्थान तुजो भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो सरकारान खंयचो तुजो आमदार काम करता रे विकसित भारत गोंयकारांनी पळोवपाक जाय प्रमोद सावंताची फक्त फुशारकी रे तुझी फक्त फुशारकी लोकांक सांग रे गोंयच्या लोकांक तुम्ही कितें करतात 40,000 कोटी म्हणतात तुम्ही या 5 वर्सांक मोडले म्हणटा सॉरी 2014 ते 2026 पर्यंत 40,000 कोटी मोडले ते म्हापशान आमच्या 32 कोटी येयल्ले पैसे खंय गेले रे हेच मरे विकसित भारत तुझे हेच मरे तुमचे कडल्यान अपेक्षा आणि आता खंयच्या नाकान तुम्ही गोंयच्या लोकांकडे वयतले आमकां निवडून दियात म्हणून सांगपाक हे कितें हे लोक तुमकां पैसे दिता मरे कोट्यांनी पैसे दिता जीएसटी कसली कर्माचे घेतात तुम्ही मागीर हे सेल्स टॅक्स हाऊस टॅक्स रोड टॅक्स आणि कसले टॅक्स तुम्ही कित्याक लागून घेतात रे
Sandeep Kamulkar, Lindsay Menezes, and Vaishnavi Salgaonkar for Goa 365.